2 a.m. in the morning. I can't sleep. I'm in Atlanta. I'm going outside. I'm telling you, cuz I just can't sleep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get my trip swift. I'm telling you, bro. Goddamn, look at the motherfucker. Like, we not, like, you can't see, like, skyscrapers right here. Actually, yes, right there, look.
Stay in the right 2 lanes.
We somewhere in the goddamn city. I can't motherfucking sleep. We got this bitch right here. This bitch, you feel me? She sounding good, looking good. Oh! Y'all can't tell me this bitch don't look good, cuz. Especially sounding good. Well, I saw fucking walking to get some fucking fries. They got some shit outside right along with me. Finna cross the street. Yeah, I just got my damn food secured. Finna go shoot a clip down there in that little, little spot right there.
Turn right.
Nigga, headlights bright as fuck. Damn.
At the light, turn right onto Trinity Avenue Southwest.
Hey, Georgia, I ain't gonna lie, y'all gotta fix y'all fucking rules, goddammit. This right here, this right here some bullshit. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left into the parking lot. Go past this light, then turn left into the parking lot.
Boy, what the fuck? I'm telling you, can't live in no city. Oh, police. Wait a minute.
Get that bitch, man.
I got you alone. Oh, my God. I done dropped my phone trying to do some dumb shit. See, when you see police, you gotta turn sport mode off, right? So you turn that bitch off, right? And it makes your car. It sound like a bitch. Nah, blood. Like you still hear the supercharger and shit, but like you're not gonna hear all like the overly excessive pops. Huh? There's a cop right behind me, nigga. Y'all couldn't pick the better song for this shit, girl. I mean, make y'all money though. Do y'all biggest one.
Turn left, then arrive at your destination.
Alright, shut your ass up. I'm here already. Oh, nice little nighttime adventure. That concludes my little nightly adventure. Finna go upstairs, you finna smash that shit. So you should smash the like button, and the subscribe button, and the share button. Well, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna smash your mama and your granddaddy. Put so good, I might suck on the daddy dick. Ooh, man. Yeah. Hey, I gotta go back to the crib and get my GoPro. But I'm gonna do all that shit like when we done fully, you feel me, doing what I'm doing right now. Like I said, I need tires. Put these fucking windows on. Hold on. As I was saying, I need tires. You feel me? I need new underwear, because the underwear that I did buy, I ain't gonna lie, boy, I got too much ass and that motherfucking eating. Oh, that was gay? I apologize. So yeah, I'm finna get some new tires, a tripod, new underwear, you feel me, some more shit. And then I do wanna go thrift shopping today. You know, shopping real quick. Oh shit, the speed limit got there, 55. I thought that bitch was gonna be 60. Slow my black head down for GSP, come get me. For GSP, come get me. But nah, that's what we're gonna do right now though, you feel me? I don't know if I'm gonna break this, if I'm gonna put this in the actual, you know, today's video, because we going to American, no, it's not called American, it's called Atlanta Streetwear Market. We're going to Atlanta Streetwear Market today. I don't know if I'm gonna put this inside that video or it's gonna be its own separate video. Cause right now, so far, I got 2 videos recorded. This will be the 3rd one if I make it its own separate video, you feel me? But I'm gonna see how it go. I might fuck around and do like a movie when everything is fully posted. You feel me? Cause y'all ain't gonna see these till I'm probably all the way out of Atlanta, dude. What the fuck? I mean, y'all might get the night POV from yesterday, today. Yeah, I might be able to post that one today, cause that one just like a little POV. I don't gotta do too much editing on that one. Hold on, I do gotta turn over though. Hold on. Go ahead, get in that lane. Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much right here, just cause I know GSP, suck my dick. I counted yesterday. Yesterday I seen 10 cops. What the fuck y'all niggas doing? Like 10 cops ain't OD, cuz. That's not overly doing it, cuz. I'm talking about every single time I turn left, cop. What the fuck? Or every single time I turn left, someone got pulled over. Type of dumbass shit. Y'all be tripping. Boy, you gotta know what lane you need. Boy, you can't be doing all that. What if I smack you? I would've lying. Give me a new car, bitch. Shit, pretty sure this is my exit right here. Ain't it? Oh yeah, this is my exit right here. This is my exact exit right here. But now the trip going good so far, I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday I had some fun. You feel me? Minus me having to drive 8 hours. When I finally got into the city, you feel me? I seen the guys, you know, shit like that. Me and my girl got something to eat, you know, shit like that. We went out, you feel me? Then we seen the Michael Jackson movie. I can't put no clips in that because I know copyright gonna eat my ass. But that was fire. The Michael Jackson movie was indeed fire. Fuck you beeping at me for, pussy? Better get the fuck on. Oh, all right. See, that's the thing though. I gotta stop being toxic. You feel me? I don't got road rage, but nigga, if you come at me doing that fuck ass shit, look at you. Man, get the fuck on. That little bitch ass Toyota. Bitch. Man, my Toyota at home. That's that shit. Man. But I was saying, yeah, yesterday we had some fun though. We seen a Michael Jackson movie. You feel